Okay, if you're trying to get started with Jasper AI, this is a video for you. I'm just going to break it down very quickly and go through my content writing workflow, and you can essentially learn from this and kind of adopt the strategies as you see fit. So I'm going to get started straight away. I'm writing out best Gucci shoes. Underline that. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste it into the title here because we're going to give Jasper AI a good idea as to what we're actually writing about. Paste it into the content description here. I'm then going to copy this, type it into Google, because we want to create optimized blog content. We want to essentially go to the people also ask section here. We're going to randomly click on these. Just randomly click. Okay. We're going to drag over these. We're going to copy them, and we're going to paste them because they're going to become our H2 subheaders. Just by pasting these in here, it's giving Jasper AI an idea as to how we're actually formatting the content, what we're actually going to be covering before we've even written a single word. So now I want to provide Jasper AI with an opening sentence. I don't want to let it kind of leave it up to Jasper to write this itself, although it's perfectly capable of doing so, but I want to make sure we're steering the content in the right direction and then allowing Jasper to work its magic. So if you're looking for this Gucci shoes, you've come to the right place. And then I'm going to go in this guide, comma, and now I'm going to press the compose button down here. Now we are going to let Jasper kind of take over and do the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so sometimes you get double spaces. You just press backspace, it's no problem. What has been written there is really, really good. Although I would like to slightly reword this. So copying over this, pressing the rephrase button here. Okay. Okay, it's made it slightly more condensed there. I actually want it to try again. Again, I want it to try again. Not quite happy with what's produced there. It's essentially coming up with an alternative. That looks much better. So I'm going to press replace text. Just sort formatting issues out of there. And now what I want to start doing is adding content below each of these H2 subheaders. We're going to do sentence starters. Then we're going to allow Jasper to work its magic. So the most expensive Gucci shoes. And now we're pressing the compose button. Now, obviously, when it is writing content that is essentially having to provide facts, you are going to need to obviously do some fact checking and make sure that everything it's saying is actually accurate. That's a given. So Gucci shoes tend to go up in value when. Now we're going to press compose. We'll see what it does here. Okay, that makes sense. Yep, I think that's reasonable. Sometimes it will kind of go on and on a little bit. You just have to wait until it finishes and stop, and then essentially cut away anything that you're kind of not happy with. 10,000 words free. Link in the comments, link in the description. I am an affiliate. I do have an affiliate offer, so you can click on that. You can get 10,000 words free. Take the tool for a spin. See what it can do for you. It just provides me with so much value. I mean, using this tool every single day at the moment. It's absolutely brilliant in terms of just speeding up the content writing workflow. Super easy to get started. I mean, everything that I've covered in this video, you really don't need to know any more than this to actually get started, hit the ground running with the tool, and actually make some good progress. So link in comments, link in description, 10,000 words free. Go and check it out and see what you can do with the tool. Really interested in finding out how you get on with the tool, so do let me know, and look forward to speaking soon.